Miss Liam encourages her students to solve math problems using their own strategies before demonstrating the standard method. Which constructivist principle is Miss Liam applying? Scaffolding, discovery learning, zone of proximal development, or schema activation? Okay, what is our choice? All right, I see letter B. Ang galing! Letter B is tumpak. Tama, no? Ang scaffold at zone of proximal development, remember, magkakatugma po yan, no? Kapag sinabi mong scaffold, any type of help na in-extend natin sa ating mga estudyante para ma-reach nila yung zone of proximal development. Kasi yung zone of proximal development po, nare-reach lamang po natin siya kapag ka meron tayong na-receive na tulong galing sa teacher or galing sa isang peer na mas advanced sa atin, no? Mas magaling na peer. Ang schema activation naman po, this is according to Piaget, no? I-activate mo ang prior knowledge ng ating pong estudyante, okay? But here, own strategies, no? This is discovery learning.